What also happened in Boston, which was great, and Hank has introduced me to this, is at the Yulin House, which was what I used to call it the vertical Shtetl. You know, it was a place, it was Jewish community housing for the elderly. Boston has a really well-organized Jewish community, and so there were these kind of high-rises where Jewish elders would live, and a lot of them were survivors, or people who had come over in the 20s but were native Yiddish speakers, or a large number of Yiddish-speaking Soviet immigrants. And again, this was the 80s. And so these people were in their 70s, 80s, 90s, some younger, some older. And they had a really vibrant Yiddish cultural scene in this building. You know, it was wonderful. And they had a meeting every Thursday that I would go as often as I could and play for their dancing and accompany the singers and speak Yiddish. So, and then afterwards I would go and tape them singing songs, and there was always, I mean, kind of very similar to what Aaron Lansky talks about. I mean, you know, it was never just go tape a song. It was like, you know, get tea, get cookies, get food, get, you know, get candy, those great Russian candies. Oh my God. So, and just speak Yiddish. And, you know, I just hung on and swam, and my Yiddish got much better from that. And so it was like having, you know, 50 Baba Zetas, you know.